What's up, guys? Happy New Year! Today we are changing. Ooh. We are changing EK steering into Nardi steering. So as y'all can see, that is the original steering. That's how it looks like. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to open the steering for those of you out there who don't know how. Ta-da! This is our Nardi steering. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, so all the screws are coming out. No, this is the boss kit. To install a sports steering, you actually need this boss kit. I'm gonna show you guys later how it looks like. And now let's see how the steering looks like. So the steering, there's the horn button, Nardi, and the steering. This is Nardi. I don't remember, carbon something. It is obviously not original, but it is an original carbon. Oh, sadly, because of the shipping, you can see there's like carbon chipped off here. Oh, pain to the heart. Okay, not really sure how to open a Honda original steering, but I'm gonna try. Okay, so how okay. I think there's like a screw behind here or something. Oh my god, what is this? It's so small. Yo, dude, I don't know. Isn't this thing like uses a clip or something? How to open? There's like a hook that's like stuck in like another ish. Yes. Okay, so there's like some sort of clip. There's one clip here and one clip here, and another one at the bottom. At the bottom here, this clip. So the top two clip goes inside these two holes, and the bottom one goes inside here. And there's this thing. These two, I don't know, this what do you call this thing? These two flexible metal thing, which will like, you know, kind of like clips, kind of like clips inside this square thing. So that's all you gotta do, like pry it open and, you know, move around a little bit. So this red wire is horn, which you can just pull out, and yeah, the steering cover is out. So to fully take out this thing, you need a bolt size. I don't remember what size is this. That is size 19. So I'm gonna use my tire bolt opener, which is size 19. Oh, not size 19. I think this is size 19. Yes, this is size 19. So let's open the steering wheel. Oh my god, how do I open this? I need a gun. Oh, nice. True. Good. Yeah. forgot the steering can lock. Yo. Now to take this out. After the bolt is out, the steering might be a little bit hard. Just slam the steering wheel hard, and oh, it's auto. So spacious. Okay, so then you gotta find your boss kit. Okay, let's see. Where's my that 19-inch size 19 bolt? Throw inside, lock inside here. Then we put in the steering wheel. We have to find all the screws first, which are everywhere. This Allen key. Oh, Allen key screw. Allen key screw. To install all this, you just gotta lock all the bolts. The Allen key. One by one. There's a total of 6 Allen keys. Screw. Yo, so nice. Wow, dude, it looks so good. Wow, it looks so good. Carbon. No, I want one. Wow. No. Yeah, I do want one. So I'm guessing I'm not supposed to screw this hard because it will screw up the carbon. Yo, looks good there. I'm in love. I'm in love with the carbon. Okay, so then we put in the Nardi thingy. So this thing's supposed to go in so it can lock. Okay. Oh, I got an electric shock. I'm just looking at that. Wait. Doesn't work, eh? Oh no, I didn't record how to put in this horn button, but it's kind of tricky. It has like some sort of like a clip kind of thing, so you're supposed to like push that clip inwards so that it goes in, something like that. But that is the good news. Our Nardi steering wheel is already in. Alignment is straight. I am guessing it's straight. I don't know, but it feels straight just now. Yo, looks so good. It's kind of dark, but yeah. Horn works, which is good. So that's all for today's video, guys. Sorry I've not been uploading so often because I'm pretty busy with work and other stuff in life. I'm trying to upload more frequent this year. Hopefully that can happen. And so I'll see you guys in the next video.